Okay, so hi. You might be using the Apple Journal app to take journaling notes on your system if you use Apple devices. I think it's really cool, but if you want to create something that lasts for maybe decades and centuries, they must be in open source format. At least that's what I feel. So I wanted to find a way to take journaling notes but in markdown format or in text files. So the problem with apps like Obsidian is that they are good, but you can't easily replicate the Apple ecosystem. So you can't get the journaling suggestions that you get on iPhone and Mac OS, and there are like a lot of reflection prompts and all which you can replicate on Obsidian with some effort, but it might not be as personalized as the Apple one because, well, they are Apple. So I built a system. I called it Markway, that syncs your journal notes with Apple Journal. So currently it supports only Apple Journal, but in the future I plan it to work with music notes, maybe even iMessages and many other services. So here I have the Markway plugin. You can see it here. Yeah, so this has been published in the community plugin store. You can download it from there. Could search. So yeah, you get it here and you can add it from the community store. So these are the settings I have exposed right now. So the journal folder is where notes from Apple Journal will be accumulated, and these rules are the rules for which using which the plugin decides which nodes should be sent to Apple Journal from Obsidian. And well, syncing journal, these are still in work. When journal deletes an entry, you would like to also delete that entry on Obsidian and vice versa. And I'm still working on this. So music will give you an object. Like suppose if I add music here, hello, and journal, no, why isn't it working? Oh shit. Okay, so yeah, it pulled it right now. So the problem is that the pull from other Apple devices to this macOS happens every 5 minutes unless I keep the journal app open. Here's the file that's synced, and you can see the attachments being filled with this, and I can change it, and it doesn't bring it again. So I changed it and nothing happens. It doesn't bring the same song again. And well, yeah, that's it here. Yeah, and some other settings, so simple settings. And you can maybe hello bold world, and in some time it will sync, hopefully. Yeah, so it's synced, and I could edit this and write hello world, hello strange world. I could maybe turn this italic and save, go back. And So yeah, it does take some time and it's still in work, but it is what it is. And that's it for now. And I have made a CLI for this too. So journal entries. So you have this. Yeah, and this one is still in works, so it will take some time, but yeah, get the songs. And okay, so yeah, that's it. I can do yeah, so it's not perfect, but it does work at least. And it does keep the formatting. So I go here, see if it changes. String continued and string continued. So yeah, the formatting still remains. See you for the next update. So by the way, Markway is the app that you will need for this to run. So it's currently only available for Apple Silicon, so M1 and later. This is how the app looks, and this is so well. Where is it? So yeah, this is the Obsidian plugin that you will need for this to work. Yeah, I know this isn't the best setup, but for what I want, I like this. You can contribute if you'd like to. Feel free to open up any issues that you face. And I'm too tired, so bye.